how you can solve switch account problem in Messenger. If you use two different Facebook accounts and can't switch or log in to your one to another Messenger account, follow only these 3 advanced guides to solve and fix your issues. So let's get started. Solution 1. Fix your internet first. Open Setting, scroll down, tap the Additional setting, scroll down, tap the Developer options, scroll down, enable Wi-Fi scan throttling. Also active the Always Mobile data on Android. Solution 2. Remove the software glitch. Tap and hold the Messenger app, tap App Info, turn on Auto Start, enable restricted data usage, tap Clear Data, tap Clear All Data. Now let's move on and try on to switch your account on Messenger. Now if you still have any questions, be sure to ask me in the comment section. Thanks.